Today's topic is Understanding Quadrilateral Exercise 4.2. First question they given, find x in the following figures. First one, here this is a straight line. In straight line exterior angle they given 125 degree. We are going to find interior angle. In this place I will keep first angle. Here also 125 only they given, so it will become both also is same. If suppose any other number comes here, this one also we have to find like this only. So now first angle plus 125 when we add will get 180 degree because it is a straight line. So first angle I like to show like this, equal to 180 minus 125. So now 10 minus 5 is 5. It will become 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 55 degree is first angle. Therefore, first angle equal to second angle because they given both of them same measurement. So second angle also will get 55 degree. Therefore, x angle equal to first angle plus second angle when we add will get, because this is exterior angle. If we want, we have to add both of them. Interior angle we have to add, so that 55 degree plus 55 degree will get 5 plus 5 10, again 1, 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 is 11. So we will get x angle is 110 degree. In this B question, they have given pentagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides pentagon they given. Now we will find what is this interior angle. That is, here I will take first angle, this is second angle, this is third angle, this is fourth angle, this is fifth angle. So we have here 90 means in this also we will get 90 degree because this is a straight line. Here also interior angle is 90 degree means exterior angle also will get 90 degree. In this 60 plus 120 degree will get a straight line. So first angle is 120 degree because 60 plus dash will get 180 degree. So which angle will get in this? 120 degree. This is for first angle. Here third angle they have given here 70. So here will get 110. How? Because 70 plus dash angle will get 180 means will get 110 because this is also a straight line. So now we have to find x value in this. This angle we don't know how much we'll get. So that we have formula is pentagon means n minus 2 into 180 degree because this is total angle will get for pentagon. Pentagon how many sides? We have 5 sides. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So we will get 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 we will get 540 degree because 3 0 0. 3 8s are 24, 4 here, 2 is carry, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So total angle will add means we will get 540 degree. We have everything right, only fourth angle we should find. So fourth angle we need means we have to add first angle plus second angle plus third angle. Angle I will write like this. Fourth angle plus fifth angle. Every angle will add means how much we should get? 540 degree. So here 540 we will keep this side. First angle how much? This is 120. Second angle how much? It is 90 degree. Like this means it is 90 degree. Third angle how much? 110. Fourth angle how much? We have to find. Fifth angle how much? It is 90 degree because exterior angle also they given like that. So we will add everything now. So this is 0 plus 0, 0, again 0, again 0, so 0. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 1 is here, carry 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 410 plus 4th angle we have here. We want 4th angle means here 540. 410 will come this side as minus. So we'll get 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we'll get 4th angle is 130 degree. But we need x angle. But here 4th angle plus x only 180 we have. So 4th angle plus x will get 180 degree. So 4th angle we got 130 degree plus x plus 180. So we need x value. So 180 minus 130 degree will get 50 degree. X value we got now 50 degree. One more easy method to find exterior angle of x is, now x angle plus all the exterior angle we have to add. X angle plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 plus 70. Everything will add. It will become 360 degree. So now x angle plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 plus 70 if we plus x we add. So everything when we add we'll get 360 degree because it is like circle. Circle will get 360 degree. So now we'll add now this everything. We'll get x plus 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 310 equal to 360. So we need x angle only now. So x equal to 360 minus 310 will get 50 degree. Very easily we'll get. Second question is, find the measures of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides and 15 sides. Second question. Now sum of angles a regular polygon formula is 9 minus 2 into 180. Now they given the side is 9 minus 2 into 180. Now 9 minus 2 is 7 into 180 will get 1260 degree. Each interior angle equal to the formula is sum of interior angles divided by number of side. Sum of interior angle we got 1260 divided by number of side how much it is 9. So when we divide this one we'll get the interior angle. Suppose now what is the interior angle we got now 9 side. Suppose like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 like this it is there. This all is called interior angles. Okay, so we are going to find one interior means everything it will become equal. One exterior angle when we find all the exterior angles will be equal. Exterior all will become equal and interior all will become equal. That's what we have to find in this. So now 1260 divided by 9. 1260 divided by 9. Now 1 9s are 9. It will become now 3. 6 1 number we have to take down. 36 means it will become 4 9s are 36. It will become here 0. This 0 we have to write up. So it will become 140. This 140 where interior angle this side like this. Interior angle will become 140 degree. So we have to find now exterior angle. Each so it will become straight line, right? So in straight line 180 it will become. So 180 minus 140 it will become 40 degree. Each exterior angle will get 40 degree. Interior angle will become 140 degree. In this sum only, I will teach you easy method how to find the exterior angle. Because in figure I showed like this, correct? You think this is like 9 side we have. Okay. Everything when we add, total angle will become 360 degree. Divided by, how many side I told? 9 side. So divided by 9. 360 divided by 9, it will become 40. Because 9 4s are 36. This 36 minus 36, 0. This 0 we have to write. So we will get 40. Verify the answer, we can follow like this. In further class, we are going to do like this only, because we are studying in 8th standard. You have to learn this, all the formulas and steps how to do.